Now we will explain the diving procedure. There are 4 important points to remember when diving. It's very simple, so please listen carefully. 1. Breathing. You will breathe through your mouth, using the mouthpiece attached to the regulator and hold it in your mouth. Use the AIU method to hold the mouthpiece. A. Put the mouthpiece into your mouth. I. Gently rest the mouthpiece against your teeth. U. Wrap your lips around the mouthpiece completely. Do your best to maintain the U shape. During the dive, always breathe with a U-shaped mouth. If you use the I shape, seawater may get into your mouth. Breathe slowly and calmly, focusing more on exhaling than inhaling. If you feel uncomfortable or short on breath, you are likely inhaling too much. In that case, slowly and fully exhale as if you are emptying your lungs. This will help you feel better. 2. Ear equalization. As you descend underwater, pressure will build in your ears, just like when flying in an airplane. However, unlike in an airplane, if you don't equalize the pressure, your ears will begin to hurt more and more, and the pain can become unbearable. To avoid this, perform ear equalization. Pinch your nose and gently blow air through your nose for a slightly extended time. You will hear or feel a pop or pressure release in your ears. This is normal. Start equalizing from shallow depth and do it frequently, not just once. Each time you go deeper, equalize again and again. If you have difficulty equalizing, try massaging behind your ears. Tilt your head so that the side with difficulty is facing upward. The key is to equalize before you feel pain or pressure. Be proactive. If your ears hurt, signal your instructor using hand signs. If you really cannot equalize, you can still dive at a depth that doesn't cause pain. However, if you're able to equalize, you can go deeper, around 6 meters. So give it a try if you can. If one person in a group can't equalize, we will adjust the dive depth to suit them. Dealing with water in your mask. A little water in your mask is not a problem. It's best to ignore it and enjoy your dive. But if the water really bothers you, use this method. 1. Press down on the bottom of your mask. 2. Lift your face up slightly and inhale through your mouth. Then exhale through your nose slowly and slightly longer than usual. 4. After doing this 2 to 3 times, the water will drain out of the bottom of the mask. 4. If the regulator comes out of your mouth. If your regulator comes out of your mouth, don't panic. Just calmly put it back in. Before inhaling, exhale forcefully to push out any water that may have entered the regulator. If you're unable to exhale, press the purge button on the front of the regulator to release water. When using the purge button, stick your tongue out slightly to block the opening and prevent water from entering your mouth. These are the 4 key points for diving. If you remember and can do these, you can dive. It's very simple, so don't worry. Underwater communication. Once underwater, you won't be able to speak, so we will use hand signals to communicate. OK sign will ask you, are you okay? Respond with this sign if you're okay. Trouble sign, if something feels wrong, point to the area of concern and wave your hand horizontally. Example, for right here pain, point to your right here and wave your hand. Example, if you get a leg cramp, point to your leg and give the same signal. Give up sign. If you want to surface immediately, use this sign. Other signals include hold hands, equalize your ears, go up, go down, move right, left, hold on to this rock, stay still and wait here, tilt your body, kick your legs. You don't need to memorize them all, just focus on the first 3 signals we covered. Underwater posture. When underwater, try to lean your body forward and extend your arms in front of you. Maintain a horizontal position like Superman. When you're at the ocean floor, keep your legs straight, don't bend your knees, stay in a face down position. If there is something like a rock to hold on to, feel free to hold it. That concludes the diving explanation. Do you remember most important points? Breathing through your mouth and ear equalization. These are the most critical. If you can do these, you can dive. Please practice this until we reach the site and just focus on having fun. That's all.